In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix arrow keys not working in Microsoft Excel. If you've ever tried to move from cell to cell with your arrow keys and noticed the whole worksheet just scrolls instead, don't worry. This is a common issue with a simple fix. The most likely cause is that scroll lock is turned on. When scroll lock is active, Excel treats the arrow keys as a way to pan the sheet, not move the selection. Turning it off restores the normal behavior. Here's how to do that quickly using a tool built into Windows. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This opens the Start menu and puts your cursor right into the search bar so you can immediately look for what you need without hunting through menus. Now type on-screen keyboard. You should see the on-screen keyboard app appear in the search results. Click it to open a digital keyboard right on your screen. This is especially helpful if your physical keyboard doesn't have a dedicated scroll lock key, or if it's hidden behind a function layer. With the digital keyboard open, look toward the right side of the keys. You'll find a key labeled skrLK, short for scroll lock. If scroll lock is currently enabled, that skrLK key will be highlighted in a different color. That highlight indicates that the feature is active, which is what's causing the arrow keys in Excel to scroll the sheet instead of moving the active cell. To turn scroll lock off, simply click the scroll key on the on-screen keyboard with your mouse. When you do this, the highlight should disappear. That visual change confirms the toggle is off. At this point, your arrow keys should go back to moving the selection from cell to cell in Excel, just like you expect. As an extra tip, you can also check your physical keyboard for a scroll lock key. It might be labeled scroll lock or skrLK, and on some compact keyboards, it may share a key with another function. If that's the case, you might need to hold a function modifier while pressing it. Toggling it there has the same effect as using the on-screen keyboard. That's all there is to it. Press the Windows key, search for on-screen keyboard, open it, check the skrLK key on the right side, and click it to turn off scroll lock. Once it's off, your arrow keys in Excel should behave normally again. If this solved your problem, you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to working smoothly in Excel.